Hello, welcome to Simply Learn Programming. I am Kapil. In this Android tutorial, we will learn how to install and configure Android Studio with Java JDK. First, we will download and install Java JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. It must have installed on PC to run Android Studio. If you don't have Java JDK, then to download JDK, in Google search type Java JDK download. Then click on this website www.oracle.com. Two icons present here. To download Java JDK, click on this icon. Then it will show list of Java JDK versions and its supported operating system versions. Now select this option, accept license agreement. We are developing Android apps on Windows OS. So if you have Windows 32-bit OS, then download this exe file, and if you have Windows 64-bit OS, then download this exe file. Here I download Windows 32-bit OS JDK version. Now downloading is started. It will take some time for download. After download Java JDK, double click on Java JDK exe to install JDK. Now JDK installation is started. Click on install. Now it is the final step of JDK installation. Now Java JDK is successfully installed on PC. After finish installation, it's time to set the path of JDK into System Properties Environment Variable option. To copy the path of Java JDK, click on Computer, in C drive, Program Files, Java folder. Two folders are present, JDK and JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. So we mainly need JDK, so double click on JDK folder and copy this JDK path. Then right click on Computer, Properties, and click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Environment Variables. Here in System Variables, click on New button. In variable name, type in capital letters Java_home, and in variable value paste that path of JDK. Click on OK, click on OK. Now we successfully set the path of Java JDK. Now to download Android Studio, in Google search type Android Studio download and click on this website developer.android.com. Then click on Download Android Studio, Terms and Conditions, and select this checkbox, and finally click on Download Android Studio for Windows. Now downloading is started. It will take some time for download. Now after download Android Studio, double click on Android Studio.exe file to install Android Studio. And after clicking on few next buttons, the Android Studio will be installed on PC. Here I already installed my Android Studio. double click on Studio icon to open Android Studio. Only at first time when Android Studio is opening, then it will download some SDK tools, so it will take some time to open. Now this is welcome screen of Android Studio. Now before creating our first Android project, we will need to configure some SDK files. For that, click on Configure, SDK Manager. See here in SDK Tools, I already installed SDK tools and packages. Intel x86 emulator accelerator is important to run Android app, so it must to installed. Click on Launch Standalone SDK Manager. Here, by default, some SDK selected packages that needed to install. So click here to install these packages, and after install these selected SDK tools and packages, our Android Studio is ready to create Android apps. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.